Okay, question 9, part A. Here we've got two parametric equations, x equals 4 cos t plus pi over 6 and y equals 2 sine t. And we're trying to show that x plus y equals 2 root 3 cos t. So let's just try and find x plus y. So x plus y, well, x is 4 cos t plus pi over 6 and y is 2 sine t. So substitute that in there. Now here we've got the addition of t plus pi over 6, so we can expand this using the addition angle formula from the formula booklet. Okay, so that's cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos of t times cos of pi over 6 minus sin of t sin of pi over 6. And then copy down the 2 sine t. Okay, cos of pi over 6, you can tap that in the calculator if you need to, but that's root 3 over 2. Sine of pi over 6, again, tap it in your calculator if you need to, but that's a half sine t. Expand the brackets. 4 times root 3 over 2, that's going to be 2 root 3 cos t. 4 times a half is clearly 2. Copy down the plus 2 sine t. And lo and behold, the minus 2 sine t and the plus 2 sine t cancel, leaving 2 root 3 cos t. QED. Okay, question 9, part B. Here we're asked to show that a Cartesian equation of the curve can be written as x plus y all squared plus a y squared equals b. Okay, so we've already just shown in part A that x plus y equals 2 root 3 cos t, so that can be slotted into position in the bracket here. So 2 root 3 cos t all squared. Okay, then we've got the a that we don't know. Then the y is the 2 sine t that was given in the question, the parametric equation for y that was given in the question, and then that would equal b. Okay, if we square this out, then we've got 2 squared, which is 4, root 3 squared, which is 3, cos t squared, which is cos squared t. Sorry, that was squared there, missed off that. Sorry, that was y squared, and missed off that squared there. So here we've now got a times by 2 squared, which is 4, and sine t squared, which is sine squared t. Okay, 4 times 3, clearly 12. 4 times a is 4a. Okay, now, so if we had 12 cos squared t plus 12 sine squared t, well, that would equal 12, because we know that sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, of course. So 12 cos squared t plus 12 sine squared t would equal 12. Now, that would put 4a in the position of 12, which would mean that a would be 3, and it would put b clearly in the position of 12 there, and so b would equal 12. Okay, and therefore, if a is 3 and b is 12, going back to the original Cartesian format here, we've got x plus y all squared plus a, which is now 3, y squared equals b, which is now 12. So that's our Cartesian equation.